So I can see my parking there. Let's go around. I'm gonna go right turn here and park and go for 500 steps at minimum.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-79 North.
So here is stop sign. We gotta wait for this one.
Head northeast toward Route 6N East, then slide right onto Route 6N East.
Okie dokie, buddy. All cleared. There's some cement truck here.
Slide right onto Route 6N East. Continue
So
on Route 6N
we
East
gotta
for
get
1
in
mile.
here. Gonna get in here. A little bit tight here. So a lot of scammers call me 5-6 scammers
Head
every
south
day.
on Washington Town Boulevard, then turn right. Turn right toward Washington
And
Town
I don't
Boulevard,
bother
then turn
answering
right.
these people, yeah. Just I don't like when they wasting my
Head
working
south on
time.
Washington Town Boulevard, then turn
So
right.
we have see there a lot of room here.
Turn right toward Washington Town Boulevard,
My
then turn
favorite
right.
spot for a 30 minutes DOT break. Because it's time to
Head
do it.
west toward Washington Town Boulevard.
Now see that truck? I have to be able to squeeze to that truck here and swing in that corner. So let's go this way.
Head east toward Washington Town Boulevard.
I'm gonna swing here. I think I have a little. Probably from here,
Head
yeah.
southwest toward Washington Town Boulevard.
Still as much I can here without touching grass or park. So look at that. So we're gonna
Head
go
south
this
toward
way.
Washington Town Boulevard.
I'm just gonna swing here. So that way when I come back I will have lots of room to come out from this here. Pretty much simple as that. So I'm gonna
Head north toward Washington Town Boulevard.
head to this one. Yeah. So let's straighten this up a little bit. I can stay exactly here. I can stay here. Go a little bit back. Just make sure I'm not on the road. See, I don't know what's coming to me here. So I want to straighten my truck a little bit. Right, so some people don't want to back the truck wrong way, you know. I want to see my tail there. Very much. See that? Have to straighten, you know. I don't want to park on the road. Just have to make sure I'm out of the road, right? That's it. So that way I'm more parallel here. And plus you have to think so nobody block you here, you know. That's another problem. You don't want to be blocked here. Yeah. So I see the shopping cart guy is moving his carts. Today I was not lucky really to get good position here. Yeah, see, now I'm on the road. Now I have to move a little bit this way. Get my tail out and in again. Yeah. Tail out. Yeah. So now see, I am blocking myself. What I want to do, I have to get out, because if anybody parks on my right side, I'm gonna be screwed. Right? I'm trying to get away from this corner here, right? Yeah, more towards, I have to get out, I think. Let's make sure I'm parked here properly. I will go and stop here. That's it. It's the only way to do it. Yeah. Put myself on half an hour duty. That's it. Situation. I have to go straight down and swing right. And you know, I'm 53-foot trailer plus truck plus everything, so I should be able to get out here. Nobody is in my blind spot, so let's do it. I have to go over this sidewalk a little bit. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. Did this for good. Now we're gonna go left here, and that's my favorite spot here, man. So I have right to go. They got a stop sign here, stop sign here. And we're gonna go left again. I like this really wide road, lots of room here. Lots of room here. Yeah. So let's do it, man.
I-79
So we are exactly 2.5 hours from Canadian border. Looks like it's gonna be dark tonight very fast. This whole day it's cloudy, right? I have 5.5 hours from my yard, so basically 2.5 hours to border, and I have a 2.5 hours to my yard, and that's gonna be the end of my day. So now we gotta be really rolling, no stopping till custom. Yeah.
Continue on I-79 north for 11 miles.
Oh, Emily, who's gonna listen to you all day, man, girl? Who is going to listen to you all day, buddy? So this is for Canadian drivers. I have 5 hours and 30 minutes of my DOT time, drive time. And when I hit the border, when I enter Canada, I'm gonna have an X 7.5 hours. I mean, I have 2.5 hours to border. So when I hit the border, I have a 2.5 hours, 3 hours left, and when I get into Canada, I'm gonna have total 5 hours to get to yard. So you extend your time for 2 hours, because driving time in Canada is 13 hours, and in America is 11 hours. There you go, very important. So remember always, when you hit the border before your American time expires, you should have 2 extra hours in Canada to drive. So finally we are turning,
Take exit 178A.
exiting here, entering toward Buffalo, New York.
Continue on I-90 east for 94 miles.
My load is heavy 40,000, but is not high load. Meaning it's hard to tip this trailer. Very hard, because it's only one layer of product. So doesn't mean you have to go fast in curves, but you know, it's safer than last week load I have. Was up to the top and was glass product, so was tough load to haul anyway. Yeah, look at this guy. Guy's good, just I think he's heavy too. That's why he cannot move too much. But you know, I am coming in the main highway, so I should be a little bit more polite to this guy. Am I rude today? Okay, dude. Okay, I'm rude. Okay, call me whatever. Great. So we have 93 miles to Canadian border. I'm so excited because I'm gonna stop in duty-free shop and I will show you what's there. Show you some prices and stuff. You know what I mean? I don't think I can advertise whiskeys and stuff on my channel. Maybe I can just show price without bottle, you know, because YouTube is really tough on tobacco, alcohol, smuggling people and things like that. They're very strict on that, so I stay away from that idea, but I can show you verbally how much is a whiskey in United States of America duty-free shop. Let's make America the great again. This Ford in front of me, I would say, is made in 70s probably. But man, it's still running. Look at that pipe. This guy is serious. Only problem with this guy, he's going 45 miles an hour and he's living 65. Yeah, that's so he's enjoying his ride and I gotta go around. There's no way I can wait for this guy. This guy is like a snail. Must be older fellow. Look at that. Nice truck actually. Little rusty, but good pipe, dude. Good pipe, man. No, he's a young guy. Holy shit, he's on the phone. Not even old. He's really young. 20 years old. But phone is important. You gotta talk to the honey. There you go. Ujebo majku svoje, nisam ga ne opalio. Did I turn it on? No. Great, 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 great. I miss opportunity. $5 piece. So depends on the quality and where it's made. So I will update you shortly with the Johnny Walker juice idea. So one of my European viewers asked me, he was from Poland, I believe, yeah. So I read every comments, every question, because you know, when I come home I relax through 2-3 days. I get my beer and enjoy my the comments on the channel. So basically he asked me, how much can you make in Canada driving truck? Very simple question. Well, I tell you, usually in Canada average pay for the truck driver, if you crossing border US as I am, 95% of loads are in the United States, because they're a big country and we are really attached to them basically. So we depend on them too. Now in industry and economy, right? So I would say every company is different, every conditions are different. But I would say from 60 cents to 69 cents max. If you hauling the flatbed, you probably 69 cents per mile. Meaning, you know, how much mile you make, that's how much you're gonna be paid. I think it's the most fair way to drive truck in North America, really. It doesn't go by piece, go by mile. If you're local, you can expect in Canada 24 to 20 to $26 an hour. That's average local driver wage, right? So you know, if you work 40 hours, just get calculator, multiply by, let's say, 24 or 5. That's how you get weekly. Multiply by 4. That's how you get monthly pay. So it's really not bad comparing to European drivers. I have some friends in Europe and they're really struggling. Some of them, they even struggle to get their check because Europe economically is suffering right now. They have problems since war started and COVID came, war in Russia, Ukraine, and COVID came, everything is upside down in Europe. Now they even close, some countries I heard from my relatives, they even closing borders for next 6 months to see, because you know they're more afraid of new immigrants coming from all over the world to there. So I mean, idea of Europe as no borders, I think it will die soon. I have feeling it's over. Maybe I'm wrong. Anybody from Europe contradict me, no? But my estimate is they will keep the border closed between these countries because of the immigrants issue, and that means idea of European Union as a free borders, I think it will be gone, unfortunately. Well, there is no open border between Canada and US too. Used to be when I came here. All you have to do 30 years ago or more, have to do just show them your ID card and you are entering US from Canada. Not anymore. Since 9/11, borders are closed here too. So that's what happened with this part of the world. But Europe, yeah, they have so much economic problem now. Inflation is so high in some countries, I don't even know how they economically can survive. But you know, we are here very good. Our prices went a little bit up, like grocery, but that's nothing, you know. If two people work and have a two incomes, you know, you are ahead of everything, you know. You can live normal life. No worries, that's what happened there, yeah. So I'm trying to get in line here because my exit is here. Alright, so exit is here. We're not gonna go to exit 53. So it says Niagara Falls, downtown Buffalo, 190 north. So this is basically, I have 9 miles to reach the Canadian border, and look like the traffic is good, no congestion. Usually this place doesn't have too much problems, right?
I-190 toward downtown Buffalo, Niagara Falls.
Oh, nice river there, man. Weekends fishing, that's it. Yeah, I never tried this
Use the
river.
right 2 lanes to take exit 53.
So here 35 miles an hour, so watch for tip over here. Well, my load is low, so not much worry. I can go 35 here without worries. And I don't know why they built this curve road here. I know it's overpass, but you know, don't you think should they make one straight? But when winter comes here, this is a disaster part, you know. I've been here in winter time. It can be slippery here. So sun is out, still out. Yes. So no engine brakes here. No need. It's flat. Plus you don't want to scare people around, you know. It's a residential area. This is Buffalo, New York. So we have about, let me see this marker, what's the number, next marker. I'll let you know. We have few miles to Canada, to the border. Buffalo is a border state, border city to Canada, and belongs to New York State. So let's see what marker we are right now. This is 55 limit here. Really comfortable ride here. A lot of overpass and bridges. Look like terrain around the river, because Niagara River is crossing, so exit 4, so we have 5 more miles to get them. Look at how slow this guy goes, man. Just go in, dude. Just go in, man. Too slow, too slow. 29 miles an hour he is going on a highway 55. So I don't know, these delivery guys are really relaxing. We should put them in this kind of truck to see what's the driving life, man. But you know, I will never be delivery driver. They have so much lifting every day. They kill their bag for very little money. Just a little bit more than minimum wage. Who wanna do that? No. It's just not good. So regarding minimum wage in Canada, minimum wage will be $16.50 minimum wage per hour. I believe from January this year. If I'm wrong, correct me please, Canadian people. I think $16.50. Now is $14.50. So in 1 year, $2 more minimum wage paid. So for a minimum wage, that's not bad comparing to America, you know. Oh, in US people have very low minimum wage. Like you talk about $10-12 an hour.
In 2 miles, use the right two lanes
Depend
to
on the
take exit
state.
9 for
I
Peace
think
Bridge.
California is the worst wage. Well, I asked some Americans to give me a comment. I'm not sure what's the wage in New York State, minimum wage, or Michigan State. I'm curious because Michigan State is really in bad shape now. It used to be big auto industry, not anymore. So, getting close to the border. Here are Kawasaki's. Yes, buddy. Show me the money, man. Look at that guy. Wow. He's getting very bad. They're nice swimmers, man. All over the place. So here we have 1 mile to the border.
In half a mile, use the right two lanes to take exit 9 for Peace Bridge.
So Peace Bridge, Fort Erie, Canada. So we're gonna cross the bridge and I will show you Nikola Tesla hydro plant in US and Canada. I will see them from
Use
the
the right
bridge.
two lanes to take exit 9.
Here you take it easy because look at roadhouse design, you know, really tough.
Continue for half a mile.
And now this guy probably doesn't even know he has to take right. Let's see, is he going to Canada or no? Yeah, look at that. He's just cutting me off for no reason, right? What a jerk. So I tell you guys, truck drivers, some of them are really jerks, huh? What's the rush, man? I have all time today. Maybe he's rushing to buy some Johnny Walker juice, maybe. We'll see now this stop. If I cannot park, I'm not gonna stop here, dude. I get you another day video of this stuff, but see how small. Whoever designed this, oh no, look at this. There's no spot for me to stop there. So we're gonna skip the Johnny Walker juice
In 800
today, yeah.
feet,
Next
continue
time.
onto Peace Bridge.
Yeah. No room, look, just 4 trucks can stop here. What a shame. So never come to Peace Bridge crossing duty free. This is a bad advertising for them. I want to make sure people don't stop here.
In a
I'm
quarter
pissed
mile,
off. I
continue
want to
straight
take
to stay on
video
Peace
of the
Bridge.
Johnny Walker juice and I cannot do it. Okay. It's fine. So here's the crossing, huh? So this is the Niagara
1,000 feet, continue
Mighty
straight to stay
River,
on Peace
part
Bridge.
of Niagara here. It's like one of the channel here which cross the
Continue straight to stay on Peace Bridge.
which cross the Canada, right?
In a quarter mile, continue straight.
There you go. So we are at this point we are in Canada now. So I just crossed the border. I couldn't do my video, not allowed. So we are back to, we are now in Canada. So in 1.5 hours I should be home. Drop this thing and sweet go home, sweet home. As song says, home sweet home. So unfortunately I couldn't take video inside. I couldn't park at duty free, so we do it next time. Guys, follow, subscribe, like, whatever you like, and I will see you guys in next
Continue straight
adventure
onto Queen Elizabeth Way.
driving through US or Canada. So I'm officially in Canada now. beginning of the road, so I'm gonna park here because
Continue on Queen Elizabeth Way for 98
I'm gonna check
kilometers.
something on my truck and I'm gonna be rolling again. This is allowed parking here, so we are all good. See, I didn't wear my seatbelt because it was a custom board. So let's buckle up and we are all ready to roll. So we have hour and a half to destination. That's it. Let's see, the traffic is good. Boy, this truck is powerful, man. It doesn't even feel 40,000 pounds. No. Doesn't damn feel so powerful, actually. So that's American truck, Freightliner 2024 version. 25 came already. Similar, just maybe some updates. So probably you guys don't have it in your truck. You got that right. I have it, so let me know if anybody has this light show in their truck. It comes with the truck. Nice, huh? Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, man. So this is delay here. I don't know what's going on. It's gonna delay me 20 minutes here. Hopefully nobody was injured, but you never know. This man, my God, can you come closer to my ass? Great, dude. Stay away from me. By law, 1.5 car, man. I tell you, you don't know how many losers on this highway until you got stuck in a lineup. Okay, go in, buddy. Have signal light in, you don't want to go in. So, okay. Don't want to go in, I'm gonna come in, man. Panda. Panda dog. Great. This is the casino bus. They're going to gamble to casino Niagara Falls actually. Lot of money there, man. I don't know how they get their money, but that's the dog panda actually. Controversial one. Imagine that Chinese, they paint the dog and they present the panda in the zoo. Apparently there's no enough pandas there, so they put instead panda, they paint the dog and the panda was barking. It's so funny. Now they have to return money to Chinese people who buy the ticket. Man, what a scam place, I tell you. These Chinese, they have something. So I went, in this trip I went all over down to East Coast of America. And so many places I went through, about 4,000 kilometers. And I come here, hour before my home, I have this shit. So, Toronto sucks, man. I have a lot of videos about Toronto. I don't want to even talk about it. This city needs the right person for a mayor, and they still did not find person for a mayor. Look at it. Such a beautiful city, but traffic is so bad. Maybe city doesn't have a money to build the ring roads. I don't know. Build the sky roads, man. Put them under 10 tunnels. Do something. Shit. Great for a mayor of Toronto. New one just came. Great, great. She's gonna do good job. Yeah. My butt. Look at this guy, great name, Super Sucker. My God, what a name.